Some 840 companies from over 40 countries are exhibiting their latest products in Barcelona at Integrated Systems Europe, or ISE, one of the world's largest trade fair for the audiovisual sector. Many of the eye-catching booths with spectacular digital displays belong to Chinese firms looking to show off their latest tech solutions to international attendees.
Yeah, we have quite modest expectations for the show, and it's more than meeting those expectations, I would say. It's important for us, as you said earlier, to be able to do these events and use that as a platform to build on for the rest of the year.
The event is really important to keep up with brand presence. Everyone is here. It's great to see everyone back together, so we can't miss out really. We've already booked for next year, so we'll be here. About 80 Chinese firms attend this year's fair. Fira de Barcelona, the trade fair institution that hosts ISE 2022, is expecting more Chinese firms for next year's event.
Xina és molt important per nosaltres. Xina té una gran indústria puntera, líder, i la trobem a faltar. I per tant anem tornant a la normalitat i estem segurs que any rere any, i segurament l'any que ve això ja serà més normal, però sí, trobem a faltar les empreses xineses en la seva plenitud.
The 4-day event wraps up Friday.